We'll be starting by knowing the several components of Microsoft Excel. So now I'm using Windows E for this purpose, so I just simply type Microsoft Office Excel. Look at it's over here. So now I'll open it. What I do next is it's loading. So for me to have a big I need to see all I'm doing. So I need to close the previous work I have done. If I want to remember it, I can click on yes, I want to view these files later. So we'll be talking about the major components of Microsoft Excel. Now, as we know, what we are seeing now is the Excel spreadsheets. Now these spreadsheets, they are customized tables that are used in making simple calculations. The first bar is the title bar, the second bar the menu bar, this bar here is the menu bar. Now the third bar, from this extent to this extent, round over to this side, it's the ribbon. Now this is the cell reference, it's shown here. Now this is the formula bar. Now each of the cells that my cursor is in, I'll be seeing it in the cell reference box or the name box. Now any formula I'm using will be shown in the formula bar. Now away from that, we have the title bar that contains the document name, the software name. It has the minimize, the maximize or restore down, and the close button. Now the next bar is the menu bar, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data review and view, tags. Now below each of these tags we have a tab. They are having several tabs beneath each of the tags. Now under the home tab we have the clipboard, the font, the alignment, the number, the stars, the cells, the editing. Now each of these enable us to edit our spreadsheets, both in cause of making it beautifying our spreadsheets and making calculations. As time goes further, we will know how to do it. Please subscribe to my channel. Now we have to input a data that is what we want to act on. Now for instance, I want to make a simple calculations. Now the purpose of this tutorial is to show us how to make simple calculations in the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Now let's assume we have name here, we have let's say description, so we have serial number here, sorry, description. Now the goods, let's say unit price, let's say amount. Now let me just adjust this relating to how the content of what I'm imputing in it. Let's number this is serial number 1, sorry, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now acting on just this 3, this 6 I mean. The first one, let's call it vegetable, what the hell. The second one, let's call it let's say flavor. Third one, let's say books. The next one, let's call it what else? Let's just use this 3. So I will remove this just for the aim of this tutorial. Now the unit price of vegetable, I need it 50,000. Flavor, I need it 100,000. Now books, I need it 600,000. Now I need to have a space for quantity here, so I just need to insert a column rather, in between description and unit price. So I come to insert, then I say insert row column. Sorry, I come to insert column. So now this column now is where we'll put our quantity. Let's just type it, quantity. What the fuck? Quantity. Now let's say vegetable is 50, flavor is 60, our books is 500 copies. Now the amount, we'll customize this spreadsheet such that whatever values you impute in the quantity as here, whatever value in the quantity now multiplied with the value in the price will give us the amount. Now so let's say equal to, now the equality sign now is telling the computer that we're about making simple calculations or arithmetics. Now equality sign, then the cell reference, that is C. Now this is C, we're having C2 here, so that's C2. We're multiplying C2 by D2. So tap enter. Now you're seeing now automatically the price, the unit price will multiply the quantity, now giving us the amount. Now for these things now to repeat itself in other sheets, I have to click and drag from the edge. Now the same formula now will be customized in the whole sheet. So now with this, now you can calculate just imputing the value for the quantity and the price, then the value for the amount to be showing. Thank you. We'll stop here for this tutorial. Looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.